How to find authorized apps on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find authorized apps on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. Now click this settings icon here in the top corner, and once you're here just scroll down until you find the privacy center, and then scroll down again, and here we'll find authorized apps, and that's it. And here we'll find all your authorized apps, and then just go back. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.